Now let's see how we can add God rays to our scene. So before we start, try to click on the directional light and just move the light until you get this effect where you can see the light going through the window. And when you have that enabled, we can go down and actually we can see the difference before and after. So if you look now at the sun, you can see that this character doesn't have any light kind of passing to the left and the right of him. But if you go to the light shafts option in our directional light and enable light shafts and bloom, we get this nice effect where our character occludes the lighting and we get this nice God ray effect. And we can also see it kind of here, but we'll have to increase the intensity of the light to see it better. And you can see now the God ray is coming from this window. And this effect was before was really hard to make, and you usually had to fake it with transparent light meshes that kind of faked this effect, like light is passing through some volume. But right now you can just enable, so go to light shafts, enable light shafts occlusion, light shafts bloom, and now you can get this really nice effect. And you can also play with the darks, see what type of effect you want to get, play with the options. I usually leave it on default, but if you need a different effect, of course you can play around and see the best settings that fit you. But this is the way to enable God rays and light shafts in Unreal Engine.